Okay, I like these problems because they're pretty straightforward, but they still require you to know what to do. We're going to find the area of the entire circle if it was a full circle, okay? Area equals pi times the radius squared. And actually, let me write it like this. Might as well just straight up write it as the area of the portion that we want is equal to a fraction equal to 165 out of the total 360. That's going to give us a fraction of pi times the radius squared. And let me just write in there for the sake of space the radius, which is 7 inches squared. Okay? So when you include this portion of it, what you're saying is you only have 165 degrees of the 360, so we get this fractional amount of the whole thing. And so I'm going to calculate 49 times pi times, and I'm going to put this in parentheses so it makes the fraction calculate that first. 165 divided by 360. When you do multiplying by a fraction, you really want to put the fraction into parentheses. Okay, and I get approximately. I should write. It's not going to be equal to if we do it to the nearest tenth versus in terms of pi. If you did it in terms of pi, you could write it exactly, but we can't. So, and it's approximately 70.55 inches squared, and rounded to the nearest tenth, we're rounding there. Is this a 5 or higher than 5? Yes. So we say approximately equal to 70.6 inches squared. And do we have that as an answer? We sure do. That's A.